Welcome to this explainer. We're skipping the fluff today to demystify the science behind fixing toxic relationships. You hear that buzzword everywhere. But what if your relationship isn't actually toxic, but just terrified? Pop psychology treats normal human pain like a disease. It kills curiosity and turns partners into enemies. So let's redefine it. A toxic dynamic is simply a loop where both of you constantly suffer. We absolutely must draw a hard line between painful relationship reactions and actual character-driven abuse. See, when you feel disconnected, your brain literally senses a biological life or death survival threat. Your amygdala fires, rational thought goes offline, and survival mode completely takes over in mere milliseconds. This chronic distress dysregulates your vagus nerve. It shrinks your stress tolerance, keeping you intensely triggered. This survival panic creates two roles: the anxious pursuer wanting closeness and the overwhelmed avoidant withdrawer. That explosive fight over a strawberry donut, it's actually a biological protest about feeling unloved. It creates a devastating loop called the waltz of pain. Your protective moves end up hurting them. But here's the crazy part. That intense pain is biological proof that you both still deeply care. Recognizing the suffering leads to the tragedy of us, a profound shared sadness for your disconnection. Enter the third chair. This powerful perspective shift unites both of you against the negative cycle. To fix things, therapists use 3 clinical steps to restore safety and rebuild your emotional vulnerability. The ultimate goal here, asking for what you need vulnerably and truly letting your partner's love in. So next time things escalate, ask yourself, is it you against them or both against the cycle? If you want to work on this for real, try Figlet, my AI relationship coaching app. You can start for free, no credit card needed, at figlet.empathy.com.